let's start the video. So for this one, take a sheet of a given size and then attach it or paste it nicely as shown in the video. Now do it as shown in the video and then paste the cute little eyes and the mouth. Now paste a cute little bow on the top and it's done. For the next one, take a sheet and then fold it into half and then another half. It will look like this. Now fold the edges out of it on both the sides and then turn it over, open it nicely and start folding it all together. Open the another side and repeat the process on another side too. Now repeat the process as it is shown in the video. It will start looking like this. Repeat the process very nicely and carefully and do not forget any step. Now cut it nicely and then start folding it with the help of a stick. It will look like this and then it's all done. For this one, take a sheet and then fold it nicely. Now fold the edges out of it as shown in the video. Turn it over and then again fold the edges of it. Open it nicely. Now repeat the process very nicely and gently. It will start looking like this and it's done. For the next one, take a paper and then fold it nicely. Now fold the edges out of it, turn it over and then start folding it as shown in the video. Repeat the process very nicely until it will start looking like this. Now open it nicely and then attach it with the help of your fingers only. It will look like this and a cute little boat is done. For the next one in the video, take a sheet and then fold it nicely. Now fold the edges of it and it will start looking like this. Now make so many out of it and attach it all together. Now take another sheet, make a cute little leaves out of it and make a bow. Now make so many out of it, attach it, it's done. For the next one, take a sheet and then fold it nicely and gently and then fold it into half. It will start looking like this and then open it all together and then keep doing it as shown in the video. Fold the edges out of it and then attach it all together. It will look like a box and then attach it with the help of a glue only. Now paste the eyes and the tail out of it and it's all done. It is cute, right? For the next one, take a tissue and then fold it into half and then cut it as shown in the video. Now color it very nicely and gently with the help of a sketch pen. Open it and it's all done. For the next one, take a tissue paper and then fold it nicely. Now attach it with the help of an elastic. It will look like this. Now make a cute little bunny face out of it as shown in the video. It will look like this and it's all done. Thanks for watching.